Oh. Huh.
Oh no.
Yeah, I guess I had some T's over there. So yeah, when you're in a tight spot, that's where these iCrimpers help out. This is a nice little kit actually, because it's got the no-go-go gauge right here. It also got some little snips. So this is a nice thing, convenient to have. It's got the crimp cutters, so if you had one that you messed up, you can pull it off or reuse a fitting. But then it also has 3/4 and 1/2 inch, so it's a pretty good value for what they sell here. But it really does help out for small area or tight areas like this. Just slide on and make sure that covers it. Yeah, PEX definitely makes it easy. I could only imagine what kind of time frame that would have been doing copper and soldering all those joints. It's not pretty, it's kind of spaghetti, but that's up in the attic. Never gonna see it.